Jatend migao mar arita Kipchumba Murkomen koro mako chung' motegno kendo wacho ni jogo duto michich godo ni nowang'o mwandu piny kaka doho kod mago manomonjo kuonde ohala ibiro maknegi buch timbe njore. Ma endi timore ndalo moko motok jatend riwruogo kinde pacho kae Faith Odhiambo mana LSK wacho ni donjo ne achijego gi ketho mar njore en ting' maduong' kendo mano marocho ratichgi. E kindego Murkomen ojiwo Faith Odhiambo ni mondo ne ni oganda luwo chik kako winjore nikech mane tij LSK.
Some of those who are trying to finance attacks on properties and attempted attacks on properties will be properly charged for the crimes that they are trying to commit. Law Society of Kenya leadership, and as a member, I totally disagree with those who want to make it lighter. They want to make it look cheap when we say that people who are burning courts, burning police stations, burning businesses with petrol bombs, stealing guns, burning houses for police officers, burning vehicles for county government and for individuals, burning supermarkets, looting people's businesses. All those people are properly defined in the Prevention of Terrorism Act of the Republic of Kenya. They are defined to be terrorists because they have committed acts of terror. And if we find them attempt to do so, even in this city, we are going to charge them for what it is.